Welcome to this Shopify theme development crash course. A Shopify theme defines the structure, the design, and the presentation of an online store. However, its folder system can be daunting without a clear roadmap. By the end of this course, you will have a complete understanding of how each part of a team works together to deliver a fully functional website. In this course, we will walk through every part of a Shopify theme, how the theme files are organized, the purpose of each folder and file type, how Liquid and JSON and assets all work together to create a website. For every concept, we will break it down into three parts: what it is, why it is a matter, and how to use it. Before we dive in, make sure you have got a few things ready: a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, some understanding of JSON and Shopify Liquid language. You must have created a Shopify account, Shopify partner account, and also a development store. You must have installed already Shopify CLI in your computer. If you need help setting up, check out our Liquid series where we show you step by step how to create your partner account, install Shopify CLI, and launch a development store. Link on the description. So what is a theme? A theme controls the look, the feel, and the layout of an online store. From the colors to typography to page layouts, navigation menus, headers, footers, animations, and transitions. In short, it's just the presentation layer of your store. Every Shopify theme follows the same standard directory structure. And here is the blueprint. Let me open my VS Code. So we have the asset directory. Everything about images, SVGs, CSS, and JavaScript will be stored in this directory. Next, we have the blocks. The blocks is the reusable content module that lives inside the sections. More of it on the next series. We have the config files. The config files keeps everything about your website, settings, and data. More of it on the next series. The layout. The layout is the repeating part of your website. We have the headers and the footer, for example. The locales is, in the case you having a website with multiple language, you can define you can translate like those languages over here. The sections are the main building blocks of your theme, where the merchant can edit, add, remove, drag and drop, and everything from the theme editor. And we have the snippets. The snippet is the small reusable Liquid file. It's helping you to avoid duplicated code. And then we have the template. The template is the page type layout, okay, like product, like article, like blog. It's like a blueprint, okay? So if you create it with the JSON, for example, it's gonna follow the blueprint here. More of it on the next video. And before we proceed, you have to understand that Shopify does not allow you to create another directory than what we already have here. So by the end of this course, you will not only understand each part of a Shopify theme, you will be confident building and customizing and even launching them for real store. Okay, so let's get started.